Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and unplugging the zebra, then wait a few minutes so residual charge dissipates. This protects you and the electronics. Next, strap to ground and remove media and ribbon. Do this slowly so you remember how components sit. Once done, open the printhead latch and observe the cable orientation and screw positions. Take a quick photo with your phone. Make sure the replacement head is the correct model. Improper fit will cause print errors or damage. You now remove the old head. Support it with one hand while you loosen screws or disengage clips because the head is fragile. Carefully lift the flex cable latch and slide the cable out straight. Do not bend it sharply. This preserves contacts. Once removed, align the replacement head to the same mounting points, reconnect the flex cable and close the latch, then tighten screws evenly to avoid skew. Make sure thermal element faces the platen and there's uniform pressure across. You finish by reinstalling ribbon and media, closing the cover, and powering the printer on. This initializes sensors and detects the new head. Once up, run a self-test and a calibration to verify density and alignment. These routines reveal any seating or pressure issues. If you see vertical lines, missing elements, or inconsistent heat, power down and recheck cable seating and screw torque. Uneven pressure or a slightly misshated flex cable is the usual culprit. If problems persist, swap with the original head to isolate faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.